Hello everyone. So today in this session we are going to see how to remove duplicate elements. So in this piece of code you can see that I took an array, okay, so which has an element number element, okay. So it has like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and it got repeated again with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay. So with the help of this we are so in this session we are going to see that how to remove the duplicate elements and preserve only the unique one, okay. So with this context we are going to use a traditional way by using for loop, and after that I will show you how to use the built-in methods by using reduce method also, okay. So that is higher order function also, okay. So let's start with that. So I have created one boilerplate for you to make you understand, okay. So here I have to create a function with this, okay. So later on this will take an argument, okay. uh, I mean accept an argument, and we just have to console the result of it, okay. So let me write the code of it. So we just have to create a function. So function name will be find unique, okay, and not array, sorry, not a string. So let me take one output array, okay, and we just have to iterate all the elements just like started from I is equal to 0, make it using let, and I is less than array dot length, okay, and then again I plus plus, okay. So here I have to make one condition that if output, okay, if output is not having, okay, is not uh, is not having dot includes with the help of this I mean array I, okay. So here I am using includes also, okay. This is also inbuilt method, okay. So here I am saying that if under output if there is not that first element, okay, okay. So if there is no element inside this output array, so make just push it under that, okay. So for that we just have to make output dot push, okay. What I have to push, array I, okay, okay, that's it. And we just have to return it here, return output, that's it, as simple as that. So here I am just making a condition that if output doesn't have this array I, okay, then we just have to make a push of that array I, okay, that element itself, individual element into this output, okay, output, okay, and we just make it to return, okay. So let's see what will be the output of it. So yeah, so here you can see that we got the unique one, okay. So earlier we have the repeated value of this element, so now we got the unique one, okay. So I hope this session will be useful to you. Thank you so much.